कुछ शोज तो वापस बनने चाहिए. पवित्र being one.
नहीं बनने चाहिए.
क्यों?
वो वही था. अब दोबारा बनाओगे तो खराब हो जाएगा. स्पेशली अंकिता सुशांत वाला जो टाइम था, कहाँ बना सकते हो?
Sushant,
#miss you.
your last heartbreak.
My last heartbreak was a couple of years back.
Do you get reminded of, or have you completely moved on?
I mean, I think I've moved on. It's been a long time. Yeah.
Shraddha Kapoor.
I like her, like how candid she is and how she's so real on social media and otherwise also. उनसे मुझे नहीं लगता आपको ज़्यादा बात करने की ज़रूरत है to learn something. Just look at him, just be around him, and you will learn a lot.
Your last kiss.
ज़माने हो गए. मत याद दिलाओ, please.
ओ मेरी प्यारी आशा तुझे मालूम नहीं
सही में ओल्ड स्कूल हो यार
तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवां.
वाव तू अभी तक है हंसी. I did not feel old at all. Thanks. Yeah.
That was not to make you feel old but just compliment you. You're still fresh. Still fresh like a flower.
Oh, I
still
love
radiant.
I love
Giving me that Pavitra Rishta vibe.
Really? और बताओ.
Just the girl next door. मैं जब छोटी थी मतलब अभी भी छोटी हूँ.
अभी भी छोटी है ये. सिर्फ 15 साल की है.
मैं टीवी पे देखती थी इन्हें. अब मैं सोचती थी मैं कब मिलूंगी इनसे.
हाँ.
But then now after years.
ऐसे मैंने भी सोचा था जब मैं देहरादून में थी और मैंने पवित्र रिश्ता जब मैं देखती थी तो मुझे अर्चना बहुत पसंद थी. तो कब मिलूंगी मैं.
And then you manifested directly like entering पवित्र रिश्ता.
I know, right? मेरी बहन को बहुत पसंद थी अंकिता, I remember. तो वो भी उसको मुझसे ज्यादा पसंद थी, I remember. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है उसकी manifestation real हुई है.
बट आशा मैं आपका फिल्मी ज्ञान पे दिशा जसोरिया बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ.
थैंक यू.
पहले तो आप कैसे, इनकी स्माइल इतनी प्यारी है मतलब मैं उधर ऐसे.
आपकी भी बहुत प्यारी है. सच में.
It is still the same. वो पवित्र रिश्ता में जो वो झलकती थी ना ऐसे.
स्माइल थोड़ी चेंज होती है.
नहीं यार हो जाती है.
हो जाती है.
कई दफा हो जाती है बट it is authentic, it's real.
हाँ, I think what you mean is वो जो अंदर से जो वो आती है एक स्माइल वो सेम है.
Exactly.
है ना?
Because we तो fake, even the you तो know we have to fake the smile.
I don't know, you don't know.
We have to fake smiling also at people like
yeah, we don't know. We have to do it. What to do?
But then पहले तो हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, हमने कुछ अलग ही टॉपिक पे बात कर ली बट let's पास्ट में तो जाएंगे पर अभी थोड़ा प्रेजेंट में आते हैं.
करेक्ट.
थोड़ा गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर से जो आप ये क्राइम वाले सीन में जा रहे हो ये क्या खुराफाती क्या चल क्या रहा है मुझे बताओ थोड़ा. ये
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
अरे मजा तो आ रहा है पर ऐसी आशा देखने की आशा नहीं की थी मैंने.
वही तो बात है. सरप्राइज. बट यार ऑनेस्टली आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई वांट टू लाइक नाउ कीप exploring, keep experimenting with the characters that I'm playing. क्योंकि मजा आ रहा है इन सब का ये सब करने में. तो वो जो अंदर का एक्टर है वो सेटिस्फाइड हो रहा है. आई फील डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स करके एंड इसमें तो मुझे बहुत मजे आए. अभी तो आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर फ्यू मोर एपिसोड्स दैट हैव टू कम. उसमें मेरे लाइक फेवरेट सीन्स है ऑफ दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस. सो तो मजा मुझे बहुत आ रहा है. आई फील एंड आई वांट टू कीप डूइंग सच कैरेक्टर्स जिनको करने में मजा आया, जो मुझे थोड़ा सा डिस्कम्फर्ट फील कराए कि आई डोंट नो इफ आई विल बी एबल टू डू इट और नॉट. ऐसा से वो
कंफर्ट के जोन में चले जाते हैं तो आई डोंट थिंक सो यू ग्रो एज एन एक्टर.
You grow, yeah.
वैसे मोनोटोनस हो जाता है that I'm doing the same scene.
Yeah. It becomes monotonous and also boring हो जाता है एक टाइम के बाद. I feel.
But then when Criminal happened, what were the conversation? What were those initial conversation? It came to you.
Yeah.
You read it.
Yeah.
I mean, what it was.
I was a little skeptical initially because I was like, अरे ये तो मर जाती है, पता नहीं कितना होगा इसका, है ना? But then I read the screenplay and I got the character brief. Is when I decided कि firstly it's a huge franchise, it's a great show. We already have so many loyal fans of the show. And secondly, I felt that the character was challenging, something that I have not explored before. So I feel that's what also really pushed me to do it, because I was like, okay, maybe the screen time is less, but that's okay because it is impactful. It's not like people will watch it and not remember me. So that was the whole point.
But Asha, कई actors ये मैंने सुना है, कई actors ऐसा कहते हैं कम स्क्रीन टाइम है but it is very impactful.
Yeah.
Is it like a defense kind of mechanism just to justify? Were you ever bothered by less screen time? Because यार हर एक्टर को चाहिए रहता है कि मैं इतनी मेहनत दे रहा हूँ, दे रही हूँ, मेरा स्क्रीन टाइम थोड़ा बहुत तो विजिबल हो. कभी कभी मैंने कई बार सेंस किया है दैट लोग शायद वो डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म में बोल देते हैं कि यार इम्पैक्टफुल है. हैव यू एवर कम अक्रॉस सच काइंड ऑफ कि आपको कभी बोलना पड़ा हो कि क्या आपको बॉदर किया है लिमिटेड स्क्रीन टाइम?
यार अगर मुझे बॉदर करता है तो मैं करती नहीं हूँ. बिकॉज वो मुझे तब बॉदर करता है कि जब मुझे ऐसा लगे कि लिमिटेड है पर इतना कुछ करने को भी नहीं है. I'd rather do lesser screen time with more impact than do the entire series and
there's no
be
impact.
there like a flower vase behind. So so that is my choice. That I'm going ahead with. तो जब अपनी चॉइस से मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ तो रिग्रेट्स तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होते.
There's no regret.
Yeah. अगर ऐसा कुछ लगता है तो मैं तो पहले ही नहीं करती. But if I'm doing it, then I'm doing it for a reason.
But then why so less of Asha? There has been a period जब थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा गायब जैसे हो गए थे. Then was it because like was it your personal decision or were there less opportunities? If I have to be like very bluntly asking you this question.
There were opportunities, but very less that aligned with the kind of work that I want to do. And honestly, I don't want to keep doing work just for the sake of being out there. And I don't even want to like get too exposed like that कि कुछ भी कर रही है types. I want to be selective with the work that I do. It is very important for me. Firstly, it's important because I need to have fun. Like even right now, while we are doing this interview, I'm enjoying it. And I want to enjoy it. Otherwise there's no point, yaar. So I want to enjoy what I'm doing. I want to enjoy the work that I'm selecting for myself. And until and unless that doesn't happen, I will not be on board. Like it should make me feel nervous. It should give me sleepless nights before the first day of the shoot. It always does whenever I am shooting something new.
The same happened with Ludo. It was refreshing. Right? Again, why Ludo is my question. Like, what struck you? Abhishek Bachchan, like the cast was like was the
cast
reason.
तो थी ही, but Anurag Basu as a director, like working with somebody like him is like a huge opportunity in itself. In fact, I was so thrilled that I used to be so intimidated and nervous all the time on set. So I mean, I got that opportunity and I heard the story and I loved it. I did not have any reason to say no. And that's about it. They did not even test me for it, I remember. So I don't mind giving auditions. I still give auditions and I enjoy them. But that's how that happened, Ludo.
And that scene where everyone is sitting. You are sitting and
feeding people.
Feeding people. Like Abhishek sir was sitting. See, again, working with such amazing people is sometimes you feel intimidated, sometimes you feel nervous, sometimes it's like yaar line na bhul jao. I have to give my best. Were you nervous in front of him? Like, were you very confident? Like, yaar ye to मेरी ही चीज है, मैं करके दिखाऊं.
I was very nervous. Him, then Anurag Dada, everybody. I was very nervous.
What were those preparations? You were chilled with the preparations, but
honestly, on Anurag Dada's set, you can't really have any preparations because everything happens there and then.
Very naturally.
You don't even get the script. So you will come on set and he'll tell you what is happening. You will say this, he will say this, and this is how it is happening. So you just have to surrender. Surrender to the process. So that's how it was. But I was nervous. I was very nervous.
I guess कोई भी आपकी जगह होता तो nervousness
ही होता ना.
As you mentioned कि nervousness होना भी important है.
But there are people who fake it till they make it.
But I don't think so. People like us can like
fake it till we make
can
it.
You?
No,
can
I
you
don't
fake
think
it?
So.
Can you very genuine question this is. Do you pretend? Do you pretend when you're out in public and when you're meeting people? Suppose you don't like me, which is not the case. Suppose you don't like me, but
I'm pretending.
Suppose, okay, ठीक है. Suppose you don't like me, but like, do you pretend and be like very sugar-coaty to me? Come and talk. Oh my God, this, that.
No, I
Or
can't.
you're
do
like
that.
very normal, like, hi, how are you? Nice.
Yeah,
like very neutral
I'll be
side.
normal, and if we are clicking, then we are clicking. Then it won't be pretentious.
Yeah.
Pretentious is something I don't. It doesn't align with me.
Same.
Yeah.
Same. I cannot pretend.
I also can't.
It's like very straight
Yeah,
forward with
and why to
everything.
pretend?
There are people who pretend, and then there are people who gives the advice also that it's good sometimes to pretend.
But then maybe it has worked for them. You never know. But I don't think it works for me. I can't be inauthentic.
Yeah.
I don't like the idea of being inauthentic, honestly.
Any of the script, अभी हम movies की बात कर रहे थे, कुछ ऐसी script आई थी आपके पास जो you didn't connect yourself with, you didn't connect it, but then जब किसी और के पास गई, जब वो movie बनी, तो like यार ये miss नहीं करनी चाहिए थी.
नहीं ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ, because most of the times when I have connected, when I have not connected, I don't remember seeing anything like the same thing and regretting.
Booming and
yeah, I don't think so. Yeah.
काम की तो बहुत बात हो गई, but अगर इंडस्ट्री की फ्रेंडशिप की बात करें, you have some really good friends जो शायद एक जब आप शोर शराबे से दूर एक थोड़ी सी शांति पाना चाहते हैं, that is that space, friendship वाला space, which you admire the most. We see it on Instagram.
Yeah.
What sort of friendship do you share with Surbhi, Karan? What is that? If you can shed the light on that part.
It's a very, very different bond with each of them.
Yeah.
With Karan, it's like we won't be in touch for months and months and months, and then one fine day either I'll call him or he'll call me. क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? And then फटाफट on call we'll give each other updates of what is happening. Yeah, all that and what is happening in our life.
Yeah.
we'll do that and I'm चल मिल चल मिल फिर वो मिलने का प्लान बनता रहेगा, फिर कुछ महीने बाद हम मिलेंगे.
Yeah.
And then maybe when I'm with Karan, I'm like a full guy.
Oh,
yeah, I'm a full londa when I'm with him.
Nice.
Yeah, we've gone on trips together, and that's how it has been. Like two boys going on a trip, or there was like one more person with us. So like boys going on a trip. When I'm with Surbhi, it's different. Like I go back to being the Purvi that I was, because that's where we met. And बीच में हमारे साथ pause था for no rhyme and reason. We were अपनी दुनिया में थे, and then one fine day we bumped into each other at a friend's Ganpati, and we sat and we we just like kept going on and on. It was so nice, and she told me she's getting married. Aww. And then she's telling me, will you come? We are meeting after years. So that's how it happened, and then I went on her
The girls'
wedding.
friendship are very important.
So beautiful, and
Beautiful
she also
and
keeps
important.
giving me reality checks. She
Wow.
also keeps me grounded. We also don't hide anything from each other, because कुछ भी हल्का सा लगता है ना कि होता ही है फ्रेंडशिप्स में, you feel something off, कुछ भी ऐसा लगता है यार ये मुझे पसंद नहीं आया इसका. So now what we have started doing is we started telling each other, मुझे ना ये अच्छा नहीं लगा, और यार ये मुझे ना थोड़ा ठीक नहीं लगता है ऐसा ये सब. We talk to each other, which is very important, I feel. Even though we also don't meet very often, but जब भी मिलते हैं, it's nice. Yeah.
That's a nice bond
Yeah.
you guys share. But दिखता है, and I guess जो चीज फेक नहीं होती है ना, वो दिख के आ जाती है. You guys share a very good bond. And with Karan, I interviewed him. He's like a naughty kid.
Yeah.
He's like a naughty kid.
Yeah.
उनको कुछ भी question पूछ लो, he's like either taking it, या तो वो
Yeah.
मेरा ही मजाक उड़ा रहा है. मतलब I am asking him questions.
He's like that.
He's giving me, and I was like, excuse me.
This is what he does.
आपका interview मेरा interview नहीं चल रहा
this is what he does.
And then I was asking about शादी के बारे में. There was this question, some around शादी, and he's like कि यार कोई भी दे दो यार, बस अब शादी करनी है. बस कोई मिल जाए, मुझे शादी करनी है.
Yeah.
And that meme of him went so viral. He's like यार कोई भी दे दो यार, मुझे बस शादी करनी है.
But you know, he's also a very pure soul.
Yeah.
Is why I love him so much. Because जो भी है ना, मजाक उड़ाना, इसकी टांग खिंचाई, जो भी है, but he is the purest, I feel. Is why हमारी on and off रहती है ऐसे touch में नहीं, touch में, but that love that I have for him, that will always be, and that's very special.
Yeah. No hard feelings.
No, never.
never. अभी थोड़े सेगमेंट्स की तरफ मुड़ जाते हैं.
चलो.
What the comments है. जनता के 2 सवाल है, जवाब दे दीजिएगा.
Oh,
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. इतनी सुंदर कन्या के जीवन में प्यार कैसे नहीं है?
Oh, क्या बताऊं तुम्हें, मेरा तो इतना लाइफ
Let's
खराब हो
start
गया.
first.
यार कैसे नहीं है, मैं भी यही जानना चाहती हूँ, कैसे नहीं है यार?
क्यों नहीं है?
क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि जो तुम्हें अच्छे लगते हैं उसे तुम अच्छे नहीं लगते, और जिससे तुम अच्छे लगते हो वो किसको अच्छे लगते हैं?
पर मुझे तुम बड़े अच्छे लगते हो.
Stop it. So, पता नहीं, बट आजकल मुझे नहीं लगता, मुझे लगता है बहुत लोग सिंगल घूम रहे हैं,
No,
सबके ऐसे हाल
but
है.
बहुतों की छोड़ो, आप सिंगर क्यों हो वो बताओ.
यार मुझे
Such
नहीं
pretty
लगता.
face, not
I
a
know,
singer.
right? I'm such a good person यार. मतलब
अगर मैं लड़का होता तो तेरी स्माइल पे पक्का आ जाता. Blushing.
Obviously ऐसे कोई फ्लर्ट करने की आदत नहीं रही मुझे कोई.
No, but on a very serious note, it's complicated.
It is complicated. No, it is complicated. You know
Yeah.
what is complicated? Because ek to now the whole definition of love partnership has changed.
Yeah.
It is no more ha ha he he or oh we like each other and all that. Now you truly understand the definition of partnership. It
Yeah.
is, you know, a lot of other things. तो ऐसे बॉक्सेस टिक नहीं हो रहे मेरे, जो मतलब, और इतना कुछ ऐसा मिल भी नहीं रहा है ऐसा कि ऑप्शन ही ऑप्शन है भाई, इसके तो बॉक्सेस टिक नहीं हो रहे पर ऑप्शन ही, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, it's normal. But do you believe in situationship? क्योंकि अभी के माहौल में it's more of a situationship rather than
सिचुएशनशिप के लिए भी कोई नहीं मिल रहा है यहाँ तो. इतने बुरे हाल हैं.
ship only.
No ship only.
No relationship. No
डूब गई
situation.
नहीं यार. No
आपकी
ship,
नहीं डूबनी
no
चाहिए.
ship, no airplane,
आप
nothing.
ऐसा बोल रहे हो तो हम क्या करेंगे?
कर लो यार, तुम कर लोगे.
यार क्या कर लेंगे?
कुछ नहीं हो रहा भाई यहाँ पे सिचुएशनशिप में, कुछ नहीं.
Single forever. नहीं यार, ये तो नहीं अच्छा है.
Please यार,
यार.
I love love.
Yeah. Love is, I guess, it's the most beautiful feeling
It
in the
is.
world.
It is.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. When somebody, मेरे ख्याल से तो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है. पूरा दिन अपना खत्म करके you
है
come
ना,
to
you
your
come
home.
back home to somebody.
Not home, but home.
Yeah.
I guess it's that.
Yeah. I know what
Home
you
is not
mean.
a place, but it's a person.
It's a person. Yeah. Like that's what, coming back home to somebody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's that.
It's that.
Maybe the next time I'm doing an interview with her, she has found her home. She's again blushing.
I know.
I like this.
Even I like this idea. I wish it happens.
Yeah.
I will पक्का do an interview with you.
बिल्कुल.
Okay.
उनके साथ करेंगे, जो भी रहेगा वो उनके साथ करेंगे.
Okay.
Why
what
not?
If one of my person is camera shy? Because
We'll
actor
cover
तो
his
नहीं होगा.
face.
Actor तो नहीं होगा.
Oh, she's given.
Yeah.
We'll cover his face.
अच्छा.
Mask man.
Oh.
Asha ka.
Or we'll keep his back towards the camera.
What's the point?
Mask से क्या? What is the point?
ठीक है.
Anyways.
The second question is, Asha Negi is television की कंगना रनौत. Bold, perfect and on the face.
नहीं यार, इतने भी guts नहीं है मुझ में.
पता नहीं, ऐसा comment आया है.
नहीं मतलब comment आया तो I'm happy. I like her. She is bold and
कंगना
unapologetic about whatever she says.
Yeah.
But इतना भी guts नहीं है मुझ में, I feel.
But एक और उसके नीचे किसी ने वो कमेंट में झगड़ा किया है और लिखा है कि नहीं, आशा इज श्रद्धा कपूर. शी इज रेप्लिका ऑफ श्रद्धा कपूर. सो रिलेटेबल, सो गर्ल नेक्स्ट टू डोर.
ये कमेंट्स है कहाँ?
आपके प्रोफाइल से छानबीन किया है.
यार,
श्रद्धा कपूर.
I like her, like how candid she is and how she's so real on social media and otherwise also.
Yeah.
So I'm happy.
Yeah, I guess there's some sort of similarity.
You think so?
That bubbliness,
Oh yeah.
the
very girl next door.
simplicity.
Simplicity.
The simplicity.
Yeah.
You have a very nice simplicity, which
Yeah.
is similar to.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Next segment is hashtag show.
Okay.
I'll take names, whatever comes to your mind first. Hashtag दे देना. Are you ready? पंकज त्रिपाठी जी.
Hashtag simple.
मिले आप उनसे? What? मतलब मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है इन लोगों से बस बैठ के 10 मिनट भी बात कर लो ना. It's like आपने सीख लिया. आपने कुछ तो भयंकर अच्छा सीखा. What was it? Was it magic?
Yeah, so honestly, I did not, of course, get time to sit and talk with him. But जितना भी I have been around him, very simple, very grounded man. And उनसे मुझे नहीं लगता आपको ज़्यादा बात करने की ज़रूरत है to learn something. Just look at him, just be around him, and you will learn a lot.
Nice.
Yeah.
Surabhi.
Surabhi #pataka.
Karan?
#pure soul.
Arjit.
Arjun, I haven't met him since so long. Shoot कर रहा है वो. #bro.
Ankita.
Ankita I बोल दूँ because she was my I. I.
Sushant.
#miss you.
Sanya Malhotra.
Oh, #love her. I love her. Yeah.
Abhishek Bachchan.
#handsome.
Shraddha Kapoor.
#too cute.
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
#hot.
And lastly, to criminal justice.
Oh, #super hit.
Already.
Yeah.
So, और एक और segment है which is the last. जो last चीजें की है वो बता दो. The last person you stalked.
I stalked.
No lies, huh?
This one producer who recently messaged me after watching my performance, so I went and stalked him, who he is.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last person you blocked.
Last person I blocked. यार Instagram पे तो मैंने नहीं किया अभी तक, मतलब recently किसी को block, but I archive people. Random messages आते रहते हैं ना WhatsApp पे, archive.
The last food item you ate.
I just had some stir-fried vegetables.
Okay. The last expensive thing you bought.
Expensive? यार क्या ही expensive होता है, मैं ना Zara से कपड़े खरीद लेती हूँ.
The last cheapest thing.
Cheapest thing? मैंने ऐसे 100-200 रुपए के छोटे-छोटे earrings खरीदे हैं. हाँ. Yeah.
Your last call.
My last call was with my friend Pratham Khurana. Everybody knows about him.
Okay. The last text.
The last text, I think, was also to him after the call.
Your last hug.
My last hug, abhi Jaya.
Yeah.
Jaya ko hug kiya tha abhi.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Yes. Your last kiss.
ज़माने हो गए. मत याद दिलाओ, please.
Still, last. ज़माने तो नहीं हुए होंगे.
I am not joking.
The last time you were angry.
Must be 2 months back.
Okay.
I was fighting with my maid, and it doesn't happen. I was like chill, okay?
Chill, yeah.
But this one time it happened.
Yeah.
And I was so upset. I had a headache. It was मेरा शिवरात्रि का भी fast था, so maybe I was hangry. But also she was at fault, and then we fought that day. She also fought with me, like दोनों तरफ से हो रहा था. Yeah, it's 2 months back, I think.
Yeah. Okay. The last time you cried.
अभी एक दिन पहले की बात होगी कि रो रही होंगी.
Why?
यार बट एक्चुअली मैं रोई कब थी मैं, काफी टाइम हो गया यार, मुझे काफी दिन हो गए हैं. आई फील दिन हो गए हैं काफी, लड़का नहीं है ना लाइफ में, इसलिए.
अच्छा है ना, रुलाते नहीं है.
I know.
You have to cry for them.
They make you cry.
Yeah, they make. Guys make. Oh my god. It's a different sort of discussion. वो हमको 1 घंटा लग जाएगा अगर हम इस पे बात करें तो.
Yeah, true.
But then I guess it's important वो जो आप बोल रहे हो ना कि यार बहुत समय हो गया कि रोया नहीं. That one cry is important.
Very important. मुझे आज पता है today was that day कि मुझे ऐसा हो रहा था I can't do life anymore. I'm so tired. I can't go to the gym. I can't get ready. Do this. आज ऐसा हो रहा था. Today was one of those days कि जरा सा कोई हल्का सा trigger तो रो दूंगी. I think you know when all this was going on is when I cried, and how much I used to cry. जब around Operation Sindoor, तो whatever the country was going through, अभी बोलते रोना आ रहा है, but whatever the country was going through, around that time I cried a lot. I looked up in the sky and I was crying, thinking and asking God, what is this?
What is happening?
Why? Yeah.
Your last heartbreak?
My last heartbreak was a couple of years back.
We know it. Things have passed. She's moved on. Beautiful, ever so smiling. Yeah, the ship has sailed. Yeah, the ship has sailed. Do you get reminded of, or have you completely moved on? I mean, I think I've moved on. It's been a long time. Yeah. Your last travel destination? ये गई थी अभी सुरभि लोगों के साथ Maldives. No. It was me, Surbhi's husband, and one of our friend Aryaman. 4 of us. I thought you were third wheeling them. I was also third wheeling with them in Dubai when we went for Wahi's restaurant launch. Is it? It was me,
Surbhi and Suri, three of us, we
Yeah,
were roaming around the
enjoying.
streets of Dubai,
Yeah.
like we were just like chilling, shopping. तो सब मुझे बोलते तू इनका हनीमून में क्या कर रही है? हनीमून नहीं, हम लोग ट्रिप पे आए हैं.
Yeah. And how I don't want this conversation to end to, I mean, मैं चाहती नहीं हूँ कि हम, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है और भी टॉपिक्स निकालूं और बातें
हाँ,
करते
ऐसे होता है ना जब दो लड़कियां बैठ के गप्पे मारती हैं.
चुगली नहीं कर रहे हम, अच्छी बातें कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, no gossip.
No gossip.
Yeah,
Gossip
just
off the camera.
Life talks.
Yeah, just life talks.
Catching
वही
up.
लाइफ टॉक्स आपने अच्छा याद दिलाया. इंटरव्यू खत्म करने से पहले मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि आप एक हमारी जनता को एक कुछ भी लाइफ एडवाइस, एनीथिंग व्हिच इज पर्सनल, प्रोफेशनल, if you wish to give out something to our audience.
When it comes to profession, I feel just don't give up on your dreams. And otherwise also, not just about profession. Whatever your dreams are, भले ही आपको सोलो ट्रिप करना है या फिर कुछ भी करना है, वर्क वाइज कुछ करना है, please don't give up on your dreams. Be at it.
Yeah.
And yeah, do this for yourself and be very extremely unapologetic about it.
That is what I like about you. And lastly, एक fans को message for criminal justice.
Oh, fans ko yaar, my sweet fans, the family that I have, they have watched it and they are
Yeah,
like full going on hyping me. So I love you guys for doing that always. And please wait for the rest of the episodes. We have so much more coming. So yeah, I'm very excited to see how you all like it.
अब मेरे ये इंटरव्यू में पूरे इंटरव्यू मेरे दिमाग में वो गाना बज रहा था.
Oh, really?
हाँ.
अरे यार, तुम पवित्र रिश्ते से बाहर आओ.
नहीं, उससे किसी को भी बाहर नहीं आना चाहिए.
हाँ,
It
ठीक
was
है,
like a
बताओ.
stepping stone for everyone of you
No,
out
of course.
there.
Yeah.
It, oh my
the
god.
biggest break
The
of
biggest
my life.
blessing, I guess, for everyone, not just 2 or 3 people,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
everyone
everyone.
out there. And
Yeah.
यार ऐसा लगता है कभी-कभी कुछ शोज तो वापस बनने चाहिए. पवित्र being one.
नहीं बनने चाहिए.
क्यों?
यार उसका जो वो था ना, वो वही था. अब दोबारा बनाओगे तो खराब हो जाएगा. I feel.
कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स शायद.
Yeah. Especially अंकिता सुशांत वाला जो टाइम था. कहाँ बना सकते हो?
You cannot find such
Yeah.
jodi and chemistry.
Yeah. That magic, I don't think can
Yeah.
happen again. Yeah.
हाँ, हम पास में जाके इमोशनल बहुत हो जाते
हाँ
हैं.
भाई.
Let's not go to past.
कट रो लेते हैं थोड़ा.
Thank you so much.
I need to cry.
We both need to cry.
Yeah.
Yes. It's been a while. But
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
मुझसे प्यारी बातें करने के लिए.
मुझसे भी.
मेरी जो मैंने आपको तारीफ की
इतने टाइम से मतलब इतने दिनों से मेरे साथ इतना फ्लर्ट किसी ने नहीं किया. अच्छा लगा.
Just a healthy flirting.
Yeah.
Thanक यू सो मच फिल्मी ज्ञान से
Thank
बात
you.
करने के लिए, दिशा से बात करने के लिए.
Thank you,
दिशा और
Disha.
फिल्मी ज्ञान आपको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ देती है और ऑल द बेस्ट.
शुक्रिया.
आते रहिएगा.
धन्यवाद.
नेक्स्ट टाइम विथ योर होम.
Oh, yeah.
थैंक यू.